I think from a Bankserv perspective, not so much on a Tango environment, because an application solution is an application solution. Once you understand it, and our team starting to understand it's easy. I think our biggest challenge is in the non-stop environment, where all of a sudden we have to get used to the OSS capability of the non-stop, the use of SQL MX as a database, because within base 24 you don't use those things. So we had to get used to the fact that there's a lot more maintenance that we have to do, housekeeping in the environment that we have to do, worry about databases, worry about indexes, worry about that type of stuff. So I think operationally there's a learning curve which we had to go through to understand that the environment, not just from an application perspective, but the actual operational environment have changed, and we had to adapt to that and get used to that. I think at this point in time, going back, I would really, from a project perspective, have made sure that we focus a little bit more on the housekeeping environment. I think from a housekeeping perspective, because we've never worked in an environment, we could have done more to ensure that moving into a production environment that we are able and that we understood those requirements better than we understand it today. I think, like anything else, we always assumed that that was not that critical, but it's really shown to be really critical to understand how you need to do system maintenance and housekeeping in the environment. I think there's two things that, looking back, that we need to do is, once again, understanding the implications of the environment if you've never used OSS and SQL MX. Also understand the way that Lusis are built, and understand that you have a powerful tool to enhance and to customize and to build new solutions through very simple rule implementations and that. So I think that's very key, that you really, really understand the environment that you're going to function, because it is different from what we're used to in base 24.